Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the problem count pairs of points with distance k, which are been bi-weekly round of uh, Leetcode. So let's start with the problem statement. You are given a 2D integer array coordinates and the integer k, where coordinates are such that they are represented by a coordinate I, which consists of xi, yi are coordinates of the ith point. So we define the distance between 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 as x1 jor x2 plus y1 jor y2, where jor is the bitwise jor operation, and we have to return the number of pairs of I and j such that I is less than j, and find the distance between I and j is equal to k. So let's understand the problem statement. So I have already wrote the test cases here. So for uh, let us say, so for I have written the coordinates here. So these are coordinates. So this is zero coordinate. This is one coordinate. This is two coordinate, and this is three. So the distance between the distance between any two points. Let us say this is the point A and this is the point B. So the distance between point A and point B is represented by this, and I have to tell how many pairs exist in this coordinate, which sums up to k. So if I let me redefine this problem, like this will give me some let us say some uh, let us say some integer c. So this gives me a value c, and so how much value this will give me? This will give me definitely give me k minus c value, right? Isn't it? And this will sum up to k. So I know from here what I found that x1 jor x1 jor x2 gives me c, and similarly y1 jor y1 jor y2. So y1 jor y2 y1 jor y2 gives me k minus c, right? And if you heard about the property of jor, in where a jor b equals to c, then I can say a jor c equals to b, and similarly I can say b jor c b jor c equals to a. So these are the properties of jor, right? So these are the properties of jor. So from these properties, what can we conclude that the let us say the jor of x1 jor c gives me x2, right? And y1 jor k minus c gives me y2. So my problem is like I if I am at any x, I am at any coordinate, let us say this is the ith coordinate, then I have to check for the values to find the values of x2 and y2. I have to check for this whether their jaw sums up to any coordinate which is present in the system or not, the coordinates. So what do we do basically? I know the value of k, so I just start initialize c with 0, and I run a loop from c equals to 0 till k, and I check for every c from 0 to k whether it will give me any coordinate x2 y2 in such a way that it is uh, present in my coordinates. So I also put these values into my map, right? And I count how many such coordinates are present in my system. So this will give me the total number of pairs which can generate the jor as a distance of k. So I hope the problem should be clear to you all, and the approach is also clear to you all how we are going to proceed this. So for better understanding, let's uh, take a look on the code. So what I do basically, I create a result which is going to store the result, and I create an ordered map uh, here, an ordered map, and I just put the coordinates x comma y. I just store x and y as my current coordinates, and I just check for here. I use j from 0 till k, and I check. I storing u in u and v is like I'm storing the bitwise job of x and j in u and v respectively, and I'm incrementing my result with the value of UV if I found the UV earlier or the value of UV earlier. And I'm also pushing these coordinates into my map. I hope this problem will be clear to you all. And for more such videos, like and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video.